Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to implement other trader strategy. Now before that, first of all you shall know whether that the trader you're watching on YouTube or learn through any other social media platform. First of all, know that whether that trader uh, you're learning from is a verified trader or not, and the strategies he's showing are valid or not. So to do this, first of all look for the trader profile, whether another account exists on that name, or there's some sort of a fraud in that. If that doesn't exist and his follower base is too, also if you want to know whether that the strategies he's showing are valid, so go ahead and test those strategies in your chart and see the results for yourself. If they show, if they are positive, then that's a great thing that the strategy and the trader both are verified. Now this was the first step. Now the second thing is that what you should consider is, if you want to let's say you've learned a strategy and not sure of how applying it. So when you the reason so you're going to apply, you're not sure of whether that strategy will work or not. So first of all, when you're applying a strategy, first of all learn that strategy and apply that in your uh, stock trading and see the results, how what results it gives you. Then if you're comfortable with that strategy, then you can use it in your trading career. Otherwise, keep it learned, uh, and you might need it in in other stocks as well, in other stocks for trading. Sometimes this can also happen, that a strategy that works in one stock but does not work in the other. Now, now let's say I've learned support and resistance level. I'll draw a line like this. Now let's say I've learned this support and resistance level. These are the major support and resistance levels, as you can see right here. But there are other support and resistance levels found in these. So, so this is something that I've learned also from a trader that existed on the internet. He's a verified trader, but also I do not care about whether the trader is verified or not. It's something that I learn of value from them. Always learn something of value from them. Do not look at whether he is valid or not. Never do that. If you want to stay to that trader, then that's okay. It's okay. You can verify that, but in my case, I sometimes do not do that. I also watch other traders. uh, they also give me information, and the one that I've stayed in touch with, like I'm a fan of the one trader. I stayed a fan of that trader, but I also learned a strategy from someone else as well, because they also shows a strategy from their experience, what they have experienced in the in their trading career. Now that's a great thing to consider, because trading you should learn from an experienced trader, not from from an amateur trader that just jumped into the stock market and trading and saying and bragging about it. Never follow that person. Always follow the person who's experienced in trading, that can give something of value to you. And also never stop learning, because stock trading, there can be many new strategies found in the trading while trading in the stock market. You can come up with your own as well, with your own strategies of where to buy and where to sell, when to enter and when to exit a certain trade. Now, if you want to be a successful trader, watch other videos of mine. If you want to learn about the stock market, trading in the stock market, then also watch my previous videos. I've showed a lot in those. Now if you want to acquire more knowledge about the stock market, then uh, watch uh, watch YouTube for that. Go to seminars, go to, attend seminars to learn more about the stock market, but all of them might show you the same things. The main thing is that applying those things that you have learned, is this is the main end difficult thing to apply because you are fearful of what might happen if you apply a certain strategy. Well, if you want to be a trader, a successful trader, you will have to apply a certain strategy. If you do not apply that strategy, you will definitely um, lose something. And if you trade on your own extent, like I'm a trader and I know, then then you'll definitely blow up your account and will get nothing in return. So never do that. Always backtest strategies. Look for strategies where you can gain most of the profit, and where you can maximize your profits and minimize your losses. So that is the main thing. Like it is said, run in profits and cut your losses. It's something like that. It's said like that. So watch out for trading in the stock market. Watch out for different strategies and different opportunities out there in the stock market. And always do not invest in a single stock. Invest, diversify your portfolio. Look for other stocks where you can short your position, and where you can short your position. It will also it is called leverage, where you can leverage your position at certain points. Now that's also a great thing to consider while leveraging certain strategies. While leveraging certain strategies, well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.